Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make TradingView full screen in 2026. So first of all, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription at discounted price, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal page in the description. In this deal, you will get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional absolutely for free. Only 2 days left in this deal, so make sure you explore the offers if you are interested. Now here on tradingview.com, you need to first of all log in into your account if you haven't already. Now hover over to the top and click on the option of products in order to launch the chart in front of you. Now once you are here on your chart, in order to view this chart in full screen mode, simply click on this full screen mode icon here on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now as soon as you click on it, it will just simply remove all of the corners from the sides, and it will just remove the watch list as well. So the full screen mode looks something like this, which is given to you by TradingView. Now in order to come out of this particular view, you just have to press the escape key on your keyboard and you will see the short mode in front of you. Now you can also press the F11, which is one of my favorites. So simply press F11 here on your keyboard and you will see your trading view with the toolbars as well here on your screen. So with the help of these few methods, you will be able to basically make your trading view to the full screen mode. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.